You don't need more income. You need less waste. You don't wait to get rich to get organized. You get organized to get rich. So many creators say, I'll track my income once I make more. I'll set up my LLC when it hits 6 figures. I'll worry about taxes when I'm successful. But that's backwards. The structure comes first. The money follows. That's when I realized the IRS doesn't care how big your business is. They care about how much money you're making and how you're tracking it. And they also expect you to track it. If you're a content creator, UGC, a TikToker, YouTuber, doing affiliate marketing, this applies to you too. If you're making $400 or more, then you are required to report it. And the IRS sees you as a business. They see you as self-employed. And that's why it's not about the taxes. It's about treating your hustle like it's already valid. Because when you respect your business, so does your money. Here's what you actually need to do. So grab your pen, grab a paper. So when you start, number 1, create a business bank account separate from your personal one. Start tracking your income and expenses, even if it's just like DoorDash receipts or TikTok income. Put anywhere from 15 to 30% aside for taxes, for your quarterly taxes, if you think you're going to owe $1,000 or more. Take the time to learn what you can write off. What is your niche? Your phone, a photographer, your laptop, part of your home. You don't need an accountant yet. You need awareness. Because there's power in saying, I'm not waiting anymore. And you don't need to be 100% ready. You just need to feel like you're ready, and I'm going to protect it. Because the confidence comes after the action. And the clarity, if you made money online this year, even if it's just a little, you deserve to feel clear, you deserve to feel confident, and you deserve to feel supported. I created a $27 course that breaks all of this down from A to Z. What to track, how to separate biz and personal, what to write off. You'd be shocked. I had to get a blanket. You'd be shocked at how many creators tell me, "Oh, it's just a few bucks. It's not that big of a deal." To the IRS, to the government, it is. Once you start making $400 or more, they expect you to keep track of expenses and to report your income. And if you don't treat it like a business, you end up missing write-offs, overpaying penalties and fees that could have been avoided, that you could have put back in your business, and not feel overwhelmed every tax season. I want you to imagine this. You wake up, you have a ton of sales, you log into your expense and income tracker, everything is tracked, receipts are saved, expenses are categorized, taxes already tucked away, no stress, no scramble, and no guilt. That's what it looks like when you operate as a business owner and not just as a content creator. And this is not about being perfect. It's about doing things and being intentional with what you do. Because the only difference between chaos and confidence, a system. Let's break it down. So here's what running your business smartly looks like. Number 1, separate money. Your personal plus business expenses should never mix. Open a business checking account. Number 2, tracking your income. Know what's coming in from affiliate marketing, TikTok, YouTube, one-on-one coachings, TikTok monetization payments. Track your expenses. What are common expenses that you have every month? You have Canva, you have CapCut, Lightroom, you have a ring light, Wi-Fi, your phone. If it's for your business, it's worth tracking. Save for taxes anywhere from 15 to 30%. Don't wait until April. And stay ready. When your money is in order, you're ready to file, hire, or scale at any level. Because this isn't just about taxes. It's about how you see yourself. Are you just someone trying to go viral? Or are you trying to build something successful? Or are you building something real? Because when you act like a business, the world will start treating you like one. The right energy flows. If you're ready to stop winging it and start getting your creator business together, I've got resources made for you. And don't forget to like, comment, and hit that save button because you're going to need this for tax season later. Whether you're making $100 or $10,000, it's time to run it like it matters. Because it does matter, and so do you. Every refund you missed, every write-off you didn't take, every dollar you overpaid was just a lesson. And if no one's told you this, you're not stupid, you're not lazy, you just didn't know what you didn't know. I've had clients come to me with bags of receipts, stuffed bags with receipts. Bank statements they haven't looked at in months. Entire years of missed deductions. Sometimes even back to like 3 years. And you know what I tell them? You're still on time. Because now you're ready. We're not here to shame the past. We're here to embrace the future. Here's the truth. Most creators don't grow up getting taught learning how to manage money, let alone how to pay taxes on it, or anybody for that matter. We're told to create, but not how to invoice. We're taught to monetize, but not how to track. We're told every day to get the bag, but not what to do with it once we get it. Of course you missed things you weren't supposed to know, but now you do. If you've been winging it until now, here's the reset plan. Start tracking, even if it's not perfect. Write it on paper, in a pen, with a pen and paper. Get a system, Google Sheets, Notion, QuickBooks, anything that works for you. List your expenses, look at Amazon subscriptions, look at any business tools that you use. So it's just about reflecting. You don't want to regret. Let those mistakes fuel your next move. You're allowed to start over with grace. You're allowed to be wealthy and imperfect. You are allowed to fumble and still win. So this upcoming 2025 tax season does not have to be like last tax season. This version of you is smarter, and this version of you is ready.